Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my review of the Spyderco Byrd Cara Cara 2 Rescue 2. Yeah, we got some snow recently, as you can see. It's a fully serrated rescue knife. We are going to cut some heavy-duty nylon strap after I put my gloves on, of course. Yeah, hurry up, dude. Okay, here's the heavy-duty nylon strap. This is going to symbolize a seat belt or a harness or whatever else you might have to cut someone free from if you are rescuing them. Or if you are rescuing yourself from a car crash or something like that. Alright, so a little more information about this knife. The blade length is 3.9 inches. Alright, so almost 4 inches. The steel, 8CR13 MOV stainless steel. The handle is FRN, and the price tag is around $27. Prices are subject to change. Now, the Byrd line is Spyderco's budget-friendly line. So $27 is a great price for this, in my opinion. Spyderco does have some more expensive options that are going to be made in Japan. This is made in China. So I will include a link to this and to the other options, and you can decide. This did really well against that heavy-duty nylon strap, I must say. I feel I got my money's worth with this, definitely. Here's a little bit of a closer look. It's a slim knife, right? And you see it's got an opening hole. It opens very smoothly. It's got a pocket clip. It's got some texture on the handle for grip. It has a finger choil and a thumb ramp with jimping on both. The ergonomics are good. The opening hole is placed correctly for leverage when you open it. All right, here is a comparison between, on the left, we've got the Spyderco Endura, fully serrated stainless steel, and then we have the Rescue 2, and then we have the titanium handle version of the Cara Cara 2, which is pretty nice, and that is with the plain edge, with the convention, or the standard pointy tip, right, for starting cuts. The Byrd Cara Cara 2 series has always been valued as a budget alternative to Spyderco's Endura line, right? They're about the same size. It's actually really popular. It's right up there with the Spyderco Tenacious as just like the budget like anchor of Spyderco's whole line. It's because Spyderco makes knives like this that they're pretty much allowed to make expensive knives too, and they don't really get hate for that because they're supporting either end of the whole spectrum, right? So they're not being snobby, basically. Something for everyone. I think this offers a lot of value. I'm not a professional first responder, so if I was, I'm not sure if I would necessarily carry this like every day if I needed it every day. But for my purposes, as just a normal dude that may need some serrations occasionally, this thing rocks. So what other options do you have in this category of folding rescue knives? You have a lot, actually. There is the Victorinox rescue tool and the rake rescue tool. I've done overviews of those, so I will link you to that video comparing those two. Right, and the Victorinox is top of the line, so I'll include a link to those as well. Now, as far as Spyderco's alternatives to this, if you were to buy like a Spyderco rescue knife that's around the same size as this, but with a better steel, made in Japan, that rescue knife would run you about $75 currently. So $75 versus $27, you've got some thinking to do there. I will include a full list of alternatives in the text description box, including the Spyderco fully serrated Endura, the Spyderco Rescue, their Jump Master, and other cool stuff like that, so check those out. I sorted through the different options for like 5 hours, and so I compiled a list so that you don't have to waste 5 hours doing that. You can just click around, all right? So enjoy those. Final thoughts on this Rescue 2. The serrations cut just as well as on a more expensive Spyderco. That's my bottom line. It's high value. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to do so. This has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.